Hi guys, this is Dallas with Al&eds Autosound, Ontario, California. We are doing a comparison right now between the different type of air horn. Here in 2016 Ford Super Duty 250, we installed HK9. It's one of the loudest air horn. And in this Chevy truck 2004, I believe 2006, we installed the HK7. So the HK7, we installed the horn inside of the grill. I don't know if you can see this or not. Right there. 1, 2, 3 horn, and the other one is right there. All right, and in the Ford, we installed the horn inside, actually not inside, underneath the cab. The tank, underneath the bed. The air horn, you know what, it's hard to see. Never mind. Anyway, so let's fire it up. Which one first? That one? This is the HK7. That's pretty loud. Let's listen to the HK9. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, this is Dallas with Al&eds Autosound, Ontario, California. 909-481-8411. Thank you.